I'm just going to show you very quickly how you can get the yoke integrated with the front and work this as a little summer top or a little summer dress. It's very, very nice. I work the neckline exactly the same. The elastic goes through all the way, but I try not to get any gathers in the front. They should be primarily over the shoulder, of course. And how do I do this? We've already said this in the pattern chapter. You want to overlap the yoke 2 centimeters so all the seam allowances disappear, and then you fold over the center front as well so that you effectively get one pattern piece to work with, and you just sellotape that together and you've got another pattern. I personally really like this for a quick top, and also if you have a child that's very sensitive to seams, then that's a nice thing as well. Now, one thing to watch out is, because you don't have any gathers in the front, that the elastic is really fairly flat in there. It'll give it a little bit of support, but it needs to be flat in there. So I'm moving it out as much as I can, and I have all the gathers over my sleeve. Now, you must check that they're actually distributed evenly so that both sleeves are exactly the same, and then you can stitch in the ditch on both sides as you would normally do, and you've got a total new dress or top pattern. And I hope you enjoy playing around with this as well.